My knee is fine. It's actually, I have some blisters. But if you just give me the stuff, I can take care of it.
Actual blisters? Were you not taking notes?
Yes, I did. I wrote down deal with it like 5 times. But then I didn't deal with it on time. Anyway, give me the stuff and I can do it myself.
Show me. Holy shit. Looks like a horror movie. Why didn't you say something?
Because after my knee and being last all day, I didn't want to hold us up again. It doesn't, anyway, I'm strong, so I don't really notice pain.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.